Alright guys, we got to go get some salt for the boys at Black Diamond again, and we got 2 tree jobs to go look at. We got this the snowstorm yesterday, and this stuff was wet and heavy, so of course there's a bunch of pines that couldn't take the weight, and they're all sagging. Some of them I think look broke in the pictures, so we're gonna get the 6500 cleaned off here and then head out, start getting some of this stuff done. Let's do it. All right, we got the first job. Ooh. Got a big pine here wedged between the houses. No real access here. Got a fence. Can always take that down. Let's check it out. That's the only access. Looks like that wet snow brought down a lot of limbs. Over the house. The tree belongs to this house. Boy, she's pretty gnarly up there. I don't know if you can see it, but it splits and goes in every direction. How you doing?
Good size, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's bigger than I thought by the picture. Got wires here running underneath it. Did they all come down yesterday?
Yeah, right at the crack of dawn.
Yeah.
Crack of dawn.
That was some heavy snow.
This whole thing snapped right there, you can see.
Yeah.
And just dropped down. Tips hit and what ended up over there on the side of my house. There was 2 more. This whole back section was full and back there.
Good thing this one landed in the middle of the lawn, huh?
No, it didn't. It landed right up against my house.
Oh, it did. Oh, yeah, I could see that in the picture, right? Yeah, it was leaning against it. Didn't do nothing though, huh?
Yeah, it did. There's
Oh, them little cracks. Yep.
those cracks there, another one down here. Mind you, I just paid a good fortune to have this house sided for
Yeah,
the
right.
spring. The guys are coming tomorrow to replace these sections.
Yep.
Because there's the siding, I had some extra pieces.
Yep.
But she's
Okay.
going to pay them for their labor. You know? No, I mean...
Yeah, she just wanted me to come out and give her a price on removing it, which...
I hope so.
All right. The neighbors seem to not be a fan. So not a big deal. I'll have to take this fence out, which the neighbor told me that she kind of wanted it gone. So hopefully that'll happen, because that's much easier if I can just rip it out, throw it away. Get the bucket truck in through here, get it right up to that tree, start trimming stuff out of start out on the ends and bring it in. Kind of a pain to work around wires underneath it on both sides, houses underneath it, decks underneath it. Just have to take it in little pieces. Let's look at the next one. we're at the next estimate. We got a big I don't know, apartment complex here. This is their garbage area. Judging on pictures, they want all this stuff that's hanging way over, got all weighted down with this heavy snow, removed. So that shouldn't be too hard. Probably just move a dumpster or two, cut the stuff off, feed it through the chipper. It'll suck all that stuff right in. It's a nice easy one. Easy to get to. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 trees. Not too big, and I can just cut them and drop them. Don't even need the bucket for this one. Alright guys, we got those estimates done. We're back at the shop, so I'm gonna get those 2 written up, get them sent out. Hopefully we can get some work on it. We haven't had much of a winter, so we're gonna jump start on spring. Don't forget to like, follow, comment, subscribe, everything. Share it, anything to support us. We've got a big year upcoming. You don't want to miss it.